Next step in any offer process is the inspection. Generally, any offer is going to have a 10 to 14 day inspection period for you to do your due diligence on the property you're about to buy. That inspection, we're seeing costs be from between $400 and $500 up to even $600 if you're adding some things on. So that general house inspection, let's use $450. That's going to cost you $450, and that's just your cost. That's not a cost that comes through the bank. That's not a cost through any of the real estate professionals. That inspection is on your behalf, and that's a report that you will own at the end of that. That's a service you're hiring to do your homework on this property. And a couple things that are common add-ons for that inspection are radon testing and testing the sewer line, getting a camera in the sewer line to check out if the sewer line from the property to the street is flowing well and it's in good condition. The reason we want to check on these things is because if it wasn't and you have to replace it down the road, that's a very costly, like up $8,000, $10,000, $12,000 to replace a sewer line, and they got to dig up your yard, and it's a whole thing. There are other options out there, but generally it's a big project. And so you want to inspect these things so you know what you're getting into, especially with older properties, you guys. Look for trees in the boulevard. Properties older than 50 years had different style of piping that they used, different metal, different clay piping. It's not all modernized, so you want to look at these things. We really heavily recommend some of these extra inspections. So like I said, $400 to $600 on inspecting that property, and that's going to be an out-of-pocket cost.